Is your Hyundai Tucson's alarm going off randomly? This is a common issue, especially in 2016-2024 models. The most frequent culprits are faulty door hood switches, key fobs, or the body control module, BCM. Most frequent culprits: faulty door hood switches, key fobs, and the body control module, BCM. Start by checking if all doors and the hood are fully closed. Look for any signs of corrosion or damage on the door and hood switches. Try replacing the key fob battery, as a weak battery can cause malfunctions. If the problem persists, you might have a BCM issue. For a quick fix, try a BCM reset. Disconnect the car battery for 30 minutes, then reconnect it. This can clear temporary software glitches. If that doesn't work, inspect the door and hood switches with a multimeter. A reading other than 0 ohms when closed indicates a faulty switch needing replacement. For BCM issues, especially in 2020-2023 models, check if your Tucson is part of Hyundai's recall. NHTSA campaign number 25V-123. A dealership can update the BCM software for free. Persistent problems may require professional diagnosis to avoid warranty issues.